I'm going to show you a very fast, simple way to sharpen a pocket knife. This is a DMT diamond sharpening stone. It's called a diafold, and it's foldable. You can keep it in your tackle box, in your drawer, in your pocket, butterfly style. Very fast, very easy to use. This is a Spyderco pocket knife. We're going to start with approximately a 15-degree angle between the knife and the stone, starting from the heel of the knife to the tip of the knife. About 8 strokes on each side. Flip it over. This is extra fine. We're all done. This knife is very sharp.